This video provides a short demonstration on how to use the EAL report converter. When using the tool, please make sure that you have verified that it is working correctly for your data. First, open the version of the EAL report converter that corresponds to your report type. Now, open the EAL CSV report for your request. Begin by selecting the data from the CSV report. You can do this by clicking the small triangle at the top of the sheet, or by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Then copy the data using Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, navigate to the report converter. Click on the CSV from Limbs tab. Move your cursor and click into cell A1. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the data. Once pasted, the data will automatically fill into the Alternative Report Format tab. In this case it is the AS4454 tab. It's a good idea to confirm that the data has been transposed correctly, and that there are no errors. Now your data is ready in an alternative format for you to use. If you would like to find out more about how the tool works, please see our other videos on the EAL web page.